Hi friends, welcome to DIYs with Nosh. So today I'm going to give this Nescafe container a makeover. Let's start. So the first thing we're going to do is give this container one coat of acrylic paint. It's just your regular acrylic paint, nothing fancy, and you don't have to even be careful about, filling in every tiny bit of the container. You'll see later on what I mean when I said that. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is how it's looking after the first coat. So this is the first coat. And I'm just going to apply some of this glue so that when I do the next coat, it should be able to adhere. Ideally, it would be best if before starting the acrylic paint, if we could sand the surface of the can. That makes it very easy then for the paint to adhere to it. Since I forgot that step, we're doing this one. So now, the next step is I'm going to take some of this paint. Now again, I'm not aiming to give it a full coverage. You'll see what I mean. I'm just giving it a very rough-handed coat over here. If you've been watching some of my videos, then most of the my creations have a very weathered look. I love the distressed look. That's exactly what I'm aiming for over here as well. Hence, I've just been filling out long strokes of this white acrylic paint. So I've got this stencil here. I'll be applying only this much all around it. So that'll be 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This one we'll be placing in the border, and same thing over here probably. This is our texture paste. bring two of these. Maybe just one we'll be able to place. 1, 2, and 3 over here. I'm using the gold acrylic paint. I'm just going to give it a dabbing motion, not no brush strokes in this, just dabbing. So once the acrylic paint, the gold paint dries, I'm going to use 4 acrylic beads as the feet for this container. We'll give it an elevation and also give it some character, add some character to it. And there, that's the one. And now you'll see the remarkable transformation, if I may say so myself. Friends, I hope you like this video, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Thank you very much for visiting me today. Bye-bye.